What I derived from the lecture was that Web 2.0 is not just about information, it's about connecting people with new platforms. I definitely relate to this message. Communication and self-expression is important, and the web is the perfect platform for these implications. Another thing I derived from the video lecture is that there is almost an endless amount of tools and platforms that allow for a more interactive and connected teaching environment. The podcast I listened to was about how to make stress your friend. The video talked about how believing stress is harmful is what is actually harmful, and some studies have shown that if you do not believe stress is harmful, then your risk of being affected by it is greatly lessened. Some evidence cited in the video for this was an example of how a study at Harvard told participants about to undergo stress to rethink their stress response as helpful instead of harmful. The pounding heart is preparing you for action. If your breathing is faster, it's no problem, it's getting more oxygen to your brain. And when the participant learned to view the stress response as helpful for their performance, they were less stressed out, less anxious, and more confident. Physical responses change the heart from a condition of stress to mimicking how the heart reacts in moments of joy or courage. The video went on to say that how you view stress determines stress impact on your health. Furthermore, the video concludes its message by saying that science supports the idea that how you shouldn't try to remove stress from your life, but how to be better at it by changing the way you think about it, altering your perception from stress being harmful to your body to instead being a way that your body rises to the challenge. Web 2.0 technologies are a great interactive way to engage with students. They can be listened to at any time, anywhere. Millennials have spent the majority of their life interacting with screens or audio for means of learning or entertainment. And because of this, learning by means of podcasts, blogging, or social networking is right up their alley, so to speak. In today's age, we are already used to receiving information through our phones and personal computers or televisions. I don't have a problem with social networking applications being allowed in the P12 education environments. Like I've said before, we're already used to learning through the means of video or audio, and with how search engines work, if you were to go to Google and type in how to change a car tire, one of the top results would most likely be a video showing and explaining the process. And that video will most likely be on YouTube. Much like podcasts, the convenience of being able to revisit and reanalyze material is a huge advantage. Having more control over what you're learning in your own way and on your own time and at your own speed can make your learning experience personalized and more efficient. I use the bookmarking cloud tool Marklet. I didn't really think I needed one before, but after using it, it'll be my default way to bookmark things. It was pretty simple, just a small sign up. It gives you a dashboard in which you separate all of your bookmarks into categories, and you can choose specific ones or specific folders. So instead of opening your bookmarks and having this long list of websites that you've saved, there's just one page that separates your bookmarks into categories such as social and sharing, shopping, money and banking, entertainment, news, blogs, references, and you can create your own category, which was the first thing that I did, was create a Fort Hays State University section and organize the websites related to my courses this year. My name is Roger, and thank you for watching this video.